Hi you guys, this is Jameslikecoulter's FC.
That's kind of hard.
I'm kind of hard. Not really at all, I'm joking.
Ian gets hard when he watches me play guitar.
I do! I totally do. Especially on this red note. Oh, red note!
What?
Okay, shut the fuck up. Wow, you just...
Oh, optimal! Optimal floor!
Look at... Just by the way, Jameslikecoulter just elbow strummed taps that side of the kidding. That was kind of hilarious.
Oh, God. Alright.
Shout out to my boy, Nigga Higga, if he ever watches this video.
No, he won't.
I know. Shout out to my boy, Nigga Higga. Alright, I'm done. By the way, I just want to show you Jameslikecoulter's face again. His haircut got less gay. You know? I remember when I saw him first day with his haircut. Oh my god, I gave him so much shit. But it's all good now. Jesse, shut the hell up. Boom chair. It's a pretty badass chair. You need to open shit. Oh shit. Sorry about that, YouTube.
Oh shit.
You almost just missed. I saw your hand slip off the shoulder. Yeah. It's all good. You still got it. I really hope my hand isn't over the freaking sound thing. Sorry about that last video, YouTube. Sorry. I'm apologizing.
Apologize.
Yeah, Jameslikecoulter got a new camera. What's that, like, you know TTFAF? Like, that's like the, like, symbolized through the fire flames. What's that other one? TG, like...
Oh, the devil went down the door, like,
oh, God.
What did you think it was, like, the way it
I thought it was, like, Trogdor gay, bitch. I don't even know.
Okay, shut up. No laughing.
Okay. Stop it, Jesse. No one likes you.
Shut up. Holy shit.
Yeah. Oh my fucking.
Yeah! Fuck yes! Yeah! Fuck!
Yeah!
Fuck! Yes! Oh my god!
FC right there! FC!
Yeah!
Holy
shit! Okay, no orgasm. Dude, shut up. That's okay. Holy shit. Fucking 1247. I'll take that picture. Fucking more sets. Look at that. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Hey, go back. Yeah. Fucking, no, take like a million pictures back. Okay, take it off.